Subscribe the channel PE everyone and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's begin. It was done by me. دا ما نه وشو. It was done by me. You have made him angry. تا هغه غوسه کو. You have made him angry. Let's get back to work. ځئ چې دوباره کار ته شو. Let's get back to work. It won't be that easy. دا به دومره آسان نه وي. It won't be that easy. What do you want to do now? ته اوس څه کول غواړې؟ What do you want to do now? Are you insane? पागल یې کو. Are you insane? You only think about yourself. ته صرف ځان باره کې سوچ کوې. You only think about yourself. That's the same thing he said about you. هغه هم ستا باره کې دغه ووی. That's the same thing he said about you. What's the final price? اخري قیمت څه دی؟ What's the final price? What are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟ What are you doing here? Will you please help me? آیا ته به زما مدد وکې؟ Will you please help me? You are so hot-headed. ته ډېره تادي کوې. You are so hot-headed. I have no idea. ما ته هیڅ پته نشته. I have no idea. That's what he said. هغه هم دغه ووی. That's what he said. He is looking over here. هغه دې طرف ته ګوري. He is looking over here. You might have heard of me. تا خو به ما باره کې اورېدلي. You might have heard of me. This isn't your concern. دا ستا ستونزه نه ده. ستونزه یعنی مسله. This isn't your concern. Don't spoil my mood. طبیعت راله مه خرابوه. Don't spoil my mood. He is very skeptic. هغه ډېر شکی دی. He is very skeptic. I have no other option. ما سره بله هیڅ لاره نشته. I have no other option. Is everything all right? هر څه سم خو دي که نه؟ Is everything all right? I am going to flea market. زه کباړي منډی ته ځم. I am going to flea market. He was snorting. هغه خرړاړی کاو. He was snorting. It is just a rumor. دا صرف افوا ده. It is just a rumor. He gave a befitting reply. هغه مو توړ جواب ورکو. He gave a befitting reply. Think of the devil and devil is here. نوم می واغست او شیطان حاضر. Think of the devil and devil is here. Don't make excuses. بانی مه جوړوه. Don't make excuses. It's a useless debate. دا یو فضول بحث دی. It's a useless debate. You are so slacker. ته ډېر لټ یې. You are so slacker. My eye is twitching. زما سترګه رپیږي. My eye is twitching. This journey is quite arduous. دا سفر ډیر سخت دی. This journey is quite arduous. Don't eat my brain. دماغ را لمخوره. Don't eat my brain. His intention is wrong. د هغه نیت خراب دی. His intention is wrong. I don't like flattering. زما چاپلوسی نه ده خوښه. چاپلوسی یعنی چمچه‌ګیري. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ زما چمچه‌ګیري نه ده خوښه. I don't like flattering. Lower your gaze. نظر دې ښکته کا. Lower your gaze. It is my humble request. دا زما عاجزانه عرض دی. It is my humble request. Take a bite. یو نوړی واخله. Take a bite. He is a moocher. هغه مفتخور دی. He is a moocher. I don't like tickling. زما تخنیده نه دی خوښ. I don't like tickling. She has intoxicating eyes. د هغې سترګې نشناکې دي. She has intoxicating eyes. He is a business tycoon. هغه یو مالداره کاروباري شخصیت دی. He is a business tycoon. His presence baffled everyone. د هغه حاضری ټول حیران کړو. His presence baffled everyone. She doesn't listen at all. هغه خو د سره اوري نه. She doesn't listen at all. Don't think about the revenge. د بدلی اغستو سوچ مکوه. Don't think about the revenge. It is too cold outside. بهر ډیر یخ دی. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ بهر ډیر یخني ده. It is too cold outside. Mind your own business. د خپل کار سره کار ساته. Mind your own business. Don't insist. ضد مکوه. Don't insist. Don't drive me crazy. پاگل کوه می ما. Don't drive me crazy. What's the source of your bread and butter? ستا د روزی روټۍ ذریعه څه ده؟ What's the source of your bread and butter? What do you want from me? ته مانه څه غواړې؟ What do you want from me? Mind your language. خوله دې په واک کې کا. Mind your language. Don't shoot arrows in the dark. توکې مه لګوه. Don't shoot arrows in the dark. Mend your ways. ځان سم کا. Mend your ways. I have got goosebumps. په ما ونه زیږ شوی دی. I have got goosebumps. Zip your lip. ته چپ شه. Zip your lip. Let bygones be bygones. چې څه وشو هغه وشو. Let bygones be bygones. I ran to the doctor. زه په منډه د ډاکټر خواله لاړم. I ran to the doctor. Please don't bother. تاسو تکلیف مه کوئ. Please don't bother. Open the door. دروازه کولاو کا. Open the door. How clear this water is. دا اوبه څومره پاکې دي. How clear this water is. Really, I don't believe it. واقعي زما یقین نه راځي. Really, I don't believe it. Don't go there. هلته مزه. Don't go there. Don't lose your temper. خپل طبیعت مه ناسازه کوه. Don't lose your temper. What bring you here. ستاسو راتله څنګه وشو. What bring you here. Keep it to yourself. د ځان پورې محدود وساته. Keep it to yourself. Don't put a hex on me. په ما جادو مه کوه. Don't put a hex on me. I'll surely keep this in mind. زه به ضرور د دې خبرې خیال ساتم. I'll surely keep this in mind. Silence is half consent. خاموشی نیمه رضامندی ده. Silence is half consent. I know nothing in this connection. ما ته دې باره کې هیڅ پته نشته. I know nothing in this connection. How dare you say that. داسې ویلو کې ستا همت څنګه وشو. How dare you say that. I don't have any complaint with you. زما تا نه هیڅ ګیله نشته. I don't have any complaint with you. He came in the nick of time. هغه په ان موقع راغی. He came in the nick of time. He is on leave these days. هغه نن سبا په چوټۍ دی. He is on leave these days. You don't seem to agree with me. نه ښکاري چې ته ما سره اتفاق کوې. You don't seem to agree with me. Who do you want to see. تاسو د چا سره میلاوې د غواړئ. Who do you want to see. Can you speak پښتو. آیا تاسو پښتو ویلی شئ. Can you speak پښتو. What made you late. پس در باندې ناوخته شو. What made you late. Why are you so sad. دومره خفه ولې. Why are you so sad. What do you want. ته څه غواړې. What do you want. I know what you mean. ما ته پته ده چې ستا د ویلو څه مطلب دی. I know what you mean. Patch up your disputes. خپلې جګړې ختمې کړئ. Patch up your disputes. His salary is low. د هغه تنخوا لږه ده. His salary is low. We should help the poor. مونږ له د غریبانانو مرسته پکار ده. We should help the poor. He is accused of murder. په هغه د قتل تهمت دی. He is accused of murder. I have some money. ما سره لږې پیسې دي. I have some money. He is an utter fool. هغه ډیر بیوقوفه دی. He is an utter fool. He is very strange in his manners. هغه په خپل خویونو کې ډیر عجیبه دی. He is very strange in his manners. Pull up your socks. جورابې دې برکه. Pull up your socks. He is so. هغه داسې دی. He is so. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل پی ای ایوریون سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.